I drove my brand new car off the showroom floor in 2015. Since then, I've taken my 120-pound Bernese Mountain Dog thousands of miles. I've driven 3 boys to school daily. I've gone camping, hunting, and fishing in that car. It's a hatchback, and I didn't have a truck till this year, so I had to use it to haul lumber, sleds, grass clippings, etc. We have goats. I've hauled over 100 bales of hay in it. I've washed the car maybe 3 times. I've vacuumed it a grand total of never. It's been my version of a work truck, and it totally shows. My wife hasn't been in the car for years. Asking if she wanted to take the car to save on gas would elicit a firm no. This week I decided to put my car up for sale. Enter RC Detailing. I heard good things and I read good reviews. None of that mattered. I needed it done now. And the only thing that mattered was the calendar. I called a couple shops. Everyone is booked until mid-July. Then I called RC. Yep, he's booked till then too. Except what can I only describe as a moron? Canceled on him for the next day. I took the opening. Whoever you are, you blew it. Big time. I don't know why, but short on my left nut falling off, or my wife and kids all being in the hospital at the same time, I can't imagine ever canceling on RC now that I've seen what they can do. I'd sell my firstborn, change my name to Karen, and leave my dog in a ditch if that's what it took to get an appointment with these guys. My car is cleaner than the day I drove it off the showroom floor. I mean it. It's stupid clean. It used to look like I bred goats in the car, and now I gladly lay the back seat down for a drive-through picnic date with my wife, plus an after party. Yep, it smells of sweet cinnamon. The dash is squeaky clean. The back seats looked untouched by time or teenage boys. They put a cold bottle of water in a cup holder, a beer bottle opener on my key ring, and chapstick in the center console. I felt like royalty driving out of their shop, with the windows down and malicious locks blowing in the wind while behind the wheel of one bad mother Focus. You can too, or so can your wife. Dudes, if you screw up, fix it. Get your baby mama's car detailed at RC. Got a date with the girl that's way out of your league? Get the shaggin' wagon to RC. Want to show your in-laws you're the man they prayed for their daughter to find? Take their rig to RC. Or are you looking for a reason to be that much hotter? In Wasilla. Bruh, take the dang truck to RC Detail. If I knew which employee worked on my car, I'd hunt him down and kiss him on the mouth. And they'd like it.